For the world right now, no personal assistance chop life reach Juju. No personal assistance chop life reach Davido's PA, IsraelDmw. Or more. IsraelDmw has just been touring almost every year with Davido, from Benin to Lagos, Lagos to Dubai, Dubai to New York, New York to Atlanta, Atlanta to Toronto. Almost see the kind of lifestyle where the guy just did, and everything on private jets. He has just been enjoying life with Davido, traveling almost everywhere with Davido. Davido and IsraelDmw are touching down Nigeria today. They're almost on their way, and also they will be on the live stream with Katefe today. It's going to be massive. Keep it locked on the channel. We'll be showing that live as the whole thing is going to go down. It's going to be massive today, guys. See how the whole thing went down.
No God. I don't go disturb you, sir. You don't lie to you. Go on bed. Boy, yeah. On the wọlé. Ṣé wọ́n gbà wọlé? Ṣé wọ́n kó wọlé ni? Gbogbo ẹ̀ ni wọ́n kó wọlé. Tough na you. You can fly to meet Jesus Christ. You feel fly private jet go meet Jesus Christ. You. Who see you now go say you? You can fly to meet Jesus Christ for heaven. Anything flyable, you can fly it. Anything flyable, you can fly it. You can fly to meet Jesus Christ in heaven. You. Hey. See there. I said the fly go meet Jesus Christ for heaven like this. Hey. Let's see.
Let me ask you no, I'm not checking. The screen is not on. Yeah, okay.
Yes, so private jet to Lagos. Private jet from Atlanta to Lagos.
Exactly.
Now so.
Therefore, that south, let them do primaries or anything they want to do. Let the candidates emerge from the south. The person can go for single 4 years. It will bring stability because this is the turn of the south. Anybody telling you that the north will come in now and people will not agitate for it is a lie. It will bring. Okay. Call Negus on this one. This way. Juju! Follow! Where's Negus? This way. Negus! Boss. Open now, bro. Double. Tycoon want me, dude. Mr. J. Well, Mr. J. Mr. J, hello. O ṣe mẹ́pẹ́ yẹ ká sọ̀rọ̀ létí.
don't get my picture already.